A single high-fidelity simulation of airflow around a car can take hundreds of computer processors hours, sometimes days, to complete. Now, artificial intelligence is learning to predict those exact aerodynamic outcomes in seconds. To understand the bottleneck, you have to look at how traditional computational fluid dynamics actually works. The solver cuts the space around the vehicle into millions of tiny geometric blocks, called mesh cells, and mathematically calculates the physical equations of fluid motion for every single one. Crunching that much math requires massive computing power. Engineers have to rely on rows of heavy server racks in dedicated data centers just to handle the computational load. When each test run takes a day, the calendar physically dictates how many design variations a team can test before a deadline forces them to lock in a final shape. That timeline is accelerating through machine learning surrogate models. Instead of calculating fluid equations from scratch, a surrogate is trained on a massive database of past simulation results. In this process, the model looks at the new geometric shape and maps it directly to expected outputs, like the vehicle's drag coefficient or surface pressure. It does not calculate the physical equations. It predicts the final numbers based on recognized patterns in its training data. Bypassing raw physics calculations means these models return answers 10 to 100 times faster than traditional solvers. Inside a well-understood design space, an engineering team suddenly has the speed to test thousands of shape variations in the time it used to take to test just one. Engineers are now deploying advanced AI architectures called neural operators. Unlike earlier models that mapped raw numbers to numbers, these algorithms learn to map entire mathematical functions to other functions, allowing the AI to adapt to new boundary conditions like changing wind speeds or temperatures. In the aerospace industry, teams are using massive pre-trained physics foundation models to analyze complex airflow over aircraft wings. What used to be an hours-long computational grind for a single flight condition drops to mere seconds. Teams use these ultra-fast surrogates to run massive optimization sweeps across vast libraries of potential designs, filtering out the aerodynamic duds immediately. The model acts as a high-speed sieve. Engineers spend less time waiting for servers to finish computing and more time evaluating the most promising results. But every purely data-driven system has a mathematical blind spot. If you ask a surrogate model to evaluate a shape outside its training distribution, it breaks. Introduce a highly unusual vehicle shape, a steep angle of attack, or complex high Reynolds number turbulence, where the airflow becomes highly chaotic, the model loses its predictive footing. A traditional physics solver returns a clear mathematical failure for a bad design. A surrogate model, however, often returns a highly plausible-looking answer with full apparent confidence, even when entirely wrong. Catching that silent error requires an engineer who deeply understands fluid mechanics, someone who can look at the predicted flow field and immediately spot that the physics simply do not make sense. Because a neural network lacks intrinsic physical constraints, it only predicts how air should move based on prior examples. It does not calculate the actual forces at play. This is why any claim about a vehicle's structural safety or aerodynamic performance requires a strict physical chain of evidence. Regulators do not accept an AI prediction as proof. Every critical surrogate model output must be aggressively cross-checked against traditional physics solvers and physical wind tunnel tests. Engineers manually scan logs of predicted drag figures, hunting for anomalies. When a number looks physically inconsistent, they pull that specific design and send it back to the data center for a rigorous math check. The trust we place in algorithms ends the moment formal certification begins. Validating safety remains a strictly human activity. We are now seeing the emergence of agentic workflows, where AI programs automatically comb through thousands of design alternatives, packaging the best options and highlighting the risky outliers for human review. The traditional computationally heavy physics solver isn't dead. It is highly reserved for those flagged cases and the final verification of a winning design. A modern simulation engineer bridges both worlds. They need a firm grasp of CFD physics, an understanding of machine learning methodologies, and the judgment to know exactly when a rapid AI estimate is safe to use. Artificial intelligence is stripping the delay out of known design spaces. It is a massive increase in engineering throughput, but the human remains firmly at the center, setting up the problem and signing off on the actual physics. To explore the new platforms driving these advanced aerodynamic workflows, visit ProReadyEngineer.com.